Journaling the real way is about authenticity and introspection. So to start, you're going to create a space where you feel comfortable. Or else, don't even start. Whether it's a quiet corner or a cozy spot in the park, begin by choosing a journal that resonates with you. One that feels personal, and use a pen that flows easily in your hand. Start writing without overthinking. Okay? There's no need to perfect grammar or structure. The goal is to capture your thoughts and feelings and experience as they come. Okay? Start with the dreams that you had. Okay? God talks to you in dreams. So you might begin by reflecting on your day. What stood out? What made you feel a certain way, or any insights that you gained? Writing freely helps you connect with your emotions and uncover hidden thoughts that you might not even have recognized otherwise. So don't be afraid to write about small, mundane moments as much as the big events. Journaling is about documenting your personal journey, not just highlighting milestones. It's important to be honest with yourself, even when the emotions are tough or hard to articulate. Okay? That's what people have to understand. And over time, your journal, it becomes a safe place where you can explore the innermost thoughts, set intentions, and simply process your day. So, embrace imperfection, okay? And let your journal be a reflection of your true self.